My name is Jordan, and I am a technician here at Team One Automotive. What makes this job different is I feel like everyone here works as a team. A lot of other places you do get a little bit of the team bonding, but here we really help each other out when it comes to anything that we need. When it comes to pushing cars, wrenching on cars, just anything. It's like a team environment here, and it's great. I think the sort of person that would like working here at Team One is just about anybody that's into cars, car enthusiasts, BMW lovers. It doesn't really matter. As long as you're into cars, I think you'd love it here. I think the sort of person that wouldn't like working here is somebody that likes to keep to themselves, somebody that's not into team bonding. Because here at Team One, we do work as a team and as a family. My favorite thing about working here at Team One is that we're all very loving car enthusiasts. We get to see all the cool cars that come into the shop. We get exotic cars, we get Europeans, we get Japanese cars. It's just awesome to see the variety of cars that we get. If you're thinking about applying, I think it would be a great idea, especially if you love cars, because we see everything here from, Ford Broncos up to GTRs. It's amazing.